Hey, what's up guys? My name is Landon. For those of you that are not regular viewers of our late model restoration YouTube channel, we've wrapped up 2017 here. Man, it was a successful year. We can't thank you guys enough. And now we are into 2018. We're gonna do something we haven't done before, and that's going to be, I'm gonna read YouTube comments. You guys can be pretty ruthless on this. Who am I kidding? You guys are downright savages. So I'm gonna read a few of the comments one of our video guys picked out. I have not yet read the comments, so these are gonna be new to me. So you guys are gonna see hot off the press emotions. And then after that, y'all are gonna see my goof in action when things don't go, well, things don't go as planned. So here we go. The first one, everything okay? You look really tired in this video. Well, I probably was, or the cedar was high that day and my allergies were on fleek. Why is he wearing gloves to do a shift knob? LOL. I don't know, man. I'm a clean freak. Just wearing gloves to do a shift knob. Why do you guys install easy? Get your together and install big things, useful things. Next one. Sounds like utter garbage. It honestly sounds like a freaking WRX at high revs. 375 horsepower, LOL is weak. I'll get the turbo, 1, add a meth kit and tune, and it'll be in the 400s easy. You go for it, bro. You go for it. How am I going to run it through the car wash with the starter off? LMAO, dumb. Yeah, it's dumb. I don't know how you're gonna do it either. LOLOL, delusional Americans are so funny. These idiots literally burying their once fine country alive. Oh, hopefully soon, average Americans will be begging for food on the streets and their government will open those FEMA camps. Jesus. LOL, stupid like children. Such a hunk of junk. And you go all romantic about it. LOLOL. You forgot the step where you throw that in the trash. Forgot the step where I throw in the trash. For some reason, this guy makes me mad. Goober, need I say more? Get rid of this guy. I will let my manager know. Wow, listen to those shifts. Driver mod. Look, bro, automatics win races. Manuals impress high school girlfriends. Get over it. You just witnessed a bad driver. My 08 GT with 300 horsepower could run that. That driver really sucks at running that car at wide open throttle. Man, let the 3-valve eat. Granny shifting like a mofo. Well, bro, the 3-valve barely eats as it is, so whatever, I guess. Those are the comments. You guys are savages, and now check out my goofy self when everything doesn't go quite well. Almost there, almost there. The rear isolators are going to be construction, rubber, and geometry. If you look closely at the spoiler, spoiler, yeah, I did it. At the spoiler, you'll see, I'm so concentrated again, spoiler out. I scrub it at night. Turn it, we got shadows. It's the dark. 2,000 years later. Coated black, which is going to bling. It's gonna bling. It's going to bling, 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 bling. Little moan. All I need is you, baby. Oh, too far right. All I need is you, baby, baby. As far as installation goes, all I need is you, baby, baby.
Don't be taking dude.
Is it slimy under there?
Yes, dude, it's gross.
Well, then quit picking at it. All the way back, all the way back. The included billet fuel tube. These are Jaja Binks.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. I mean the Jaja Binks.
Annie.
Annie. What's up? Why the long face? and harshness is going to be slightly increased. Increase in NVH. You stupid. What were you doing? What the were you doing? Why can't we get done? Now the only side effect. It's not gonna help. No, you're fine. You gotta listen to it.
Okay.
Man, I don't know whose idea it was to put all that crap together, but man, I hope you hope the feelings don't change about me. I can get pretty crazy at times. It keeps me humble, keeps me sane when working on all this fun stuff. Can't thank you guys enough. 2017 was a great year. We got big plans for 2018. So thank you for our current subscribers, our current followers. If you aren't currently subscribed to us, please go ahead and do so. And then of course, for all things 79 to present Mustang and first and second generation lighting, keep it right here with LMR.com. You can subscribe, you can shop, and you can watch. Catch you later, guys.